All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog today. I want to also give a quick shout out to the 71 subscribers. Thank you all so much for subscribing and enjoying the content that I'm giving out to you. We're currently here at the Legends K1 charity for animal shelter today, and we actually registered our car for show for like the first time ever. And we got a Fit behind us, we got Evo right there. It's pretty nice. So the gates aren't open yet, so we're just kind of sitting here waiting for hopefully someone to open the cones, I guess, because there's not really a gate, but you know. But yeah, should be a good turnout. I heard there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff, food trucks, events, raffles, and we get to see the R35 giveaway car. So I'll make sure to film that here and there because apparently it looks really nice. This is a treat right here. They got all the Nismo 32, 33, 35. They're missing the 34, but hey, all of them is just like the Hot Wheels I have, just grown-up versions. But I would take this one any day. This is dream car right here. Advan GTs, very nice. The Recaro bucket seats, nice interior. Obviously, right-hand drive. This is spectacular. Spectacular lineup right here. We got all the cars lined in. We got a nice little NA Miata here. Very nice. We got Josh on the one wheel. Hell yeah. Nice Subaru. Very clean. Camaro with a wide body kit. We got a whole line of cars all the way down. So we're here looking at this beautiful NSX, and the owner was telling me right in the center of the steering wheel he's got an iPhone 12. Like, I kid you not, if you can see it in there, it's a mini iPhone for all of his like gauges and stuff. And he's got a full custom steering wheel for it. Nice bright interior, Recaro seats. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This is cool. We got a good lineup over here. Oh no! We got spun out. Oh man. Whoa! Huge four-way battle right here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Huge four-way battle right there. This R32 Skyline is the cleanest I have ever seen. On BBS wheels, Ah, it's so beautiful. Oh, the car in pole position, okay. Beautiful. Immaculate paint. And look at the MG there. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. All Dustin's cars. His Nissan Z. Evo from Tokyo Drift. Millennium Jade R35. Amazing. Another 35 and his purple. His purple R33. This. I finally get to see this thing in person. Oh, it's so nice. Beautiful. And you know, the funniest thing is, he is right. The GTR badge is on one side on the wing, or for some of them it's on one side, which is weird. This thing is so nice. Beautiful. One day, I promise you, one day I will own one of these Skylines. Preferably the 33 because that's my favorite. I will own this one day. One day. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna happen. Like, I just cannot stand here and not want to buy this right now. What intrigued me about this Supra was the raised wheels, because I've seen it on the Ray's Instagram page. But what also threw me for a loop, it's a tiny wing. Look how small it is. That's great. I absolutely love that. It's so tiny. That's perfect. Absolutely dig this. I love the wheels on this too. Pretty set of wheels. Probably would cost you a good penny, but they're nice. Got a nice pair of Evos here. Evo 10, Evo 9, or Evo 8. We got my car. This is nice. Very clean. Oh, this is the fun part right here, trying to get them out. Oh boy. Nice little NA Miata right here. Got a midnight purple RX-7. Ooh. That's pretty. Wow. I've seen this pulling in the background. That's nice. And we got an extra T rolling in over here. We made it to the end of the lot, and we got some cool contenders coming out right here. We got this nice wide body GT86, or GR86 I should say, and a light purple, which is nice. Got an NSX, top secret Supra. We got an S15 and RX-7. Man, is this thing neat. Full fuel cell, everything. Insane. The NSX right there. That's 15. Another RX-7 in purple. That's nice. Cool. We'll kind of go down the line of cars. There's an Evo, I want to say Evo 4, Evo 3 right there. Another RX-7. Very clean, very clean. Got another midnight purple R33. And a bunch of other cars. All the way down here, all the way down there. That's nice. This is pretty clean right here. Another GT86 or GR86. I keep saying GT for some reason. Nice interior. Got a rocket bunny kit. I like the color too. The color's really nice. S2000. Another GTR. Another 33 down there. A lot of good turnout in cars here today. I love this color on the S2000. It's so nice. I like that. All right, so quick little update on the car show right now. I'm currently just trying to sit in the car, not get completely cooked. And there is a lot of good stuff here. For the first time actually putting my car on display and just having a good old time, meeting new people, getting to show off my car. A lot of people actually like it. It's very clean, simple, and that's what makes me happy. Bunch of cars here. So glad I got to see Dustin again. And yeah, we're just gonna sit here, kind of ride it out, wait for the raffles to get going. I might grab some food because sitting here for another 2.5 hours is gonna be one hell of a run. I forgot, coming to car shows like this, you have to actually sit and wait if you want to get stuff, and just hang out and wait for everything to kind of settle down and be done. But yeah, a little update on that, and that's about it. Nice meeting you. Pretty clean, I like the place. Oh, purple's really nice. So, introduce yourselves.
What's up? I'm Corey.
Corey. Jeremy. Met these two. Corey drives the red Type R. I don't know if you can see it way over there. A lot nicer. I got to meet these two cool guys. I'm tired.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's hot.
Nice and
it's quite warm.
Oh yeah, really warm. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That's really about it. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.